Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your girl here. How you living? How you living? Let me tell you how I'm living. It has been crazy these last 3 weeks at home for winter break. It's been great. We've enjoyed it, but it's been a lot. So I'm ready to get some peace and quiet. That's what I'm ready for. It's been a while since I did a video. Life gets in the way. I've explained that. Um, I've been wanting to do a video of my new planner, which that's what this video is. But by the time I get the dude in bed, I'm either too tired or in the wrong mood. And I don't know about you all, but if I'm not in the right kind of mood, I can't do a video because it's just not gonna work. It's just not. So I said tonight I want to get this planner um video done. I really love this planner. I was going to do an unboxing, but you guys know me. I cannot wait. I get too excited, which I will work on that. So let's check out this planner. How beautiful is this thing? Let me undo this. This goes in the back for now. Okay. So this is my planner for this year. Um, I usually get a happy planner, but I absolutely fell in love with this one. The cover of it when I seen it, so this is what I went with. It's leather bound. It's got a little closure here. It also has a pen holder here, and it is just absolutely beautiful. So I'll go ahead and oh yeah, okay. So I need to cover up this here. So when you open it, I've already wrote in it. It says if you find this, please be kind and contact me. And it's just got my contact information on there. I don't want to put that out in out there. Um, it did come with this Legend Planner weekly quick start guide, and it just walks you through everything that is in here, things you can do, and all of that. I'm going to show you some in here that I've done already. So let's do that. Whoa, there we go. When you open it, it has awareness and self-discovery, my vision, things like that. In the front, I absolutely love that because it really makes you think about this upcoming year, what you want to achieve, what does this year look like for you. So this is really great. It has what brings me joy and good feelings in life, what I am most passionate about, uh, what does a perfect day look like to me, what is most important in my life. So that is really cool. I love that. Um, like I said, it just really makes me sit down and think. And of course, I haven't written anything in this part yet, but I will. Um, and then it has my dreams, write down 50 dreams in all areas of your life. That is really cool. Again, I have not done that. I haven't really taken the time to sit down and think about that or do anything with it. If I haven't said, this is a legend planner. It is a beautiful planner, you guys. Absolutely beautiful. So check them out. I got this over on Amazon. If I think about it, I'll put the link down below in the description bar. Over here is my most important goals in life. So there is a lot of things that are important, like health and fitness, which is for me, finance and net worth, career, business, romance and relationship, personal development, spiritual. I mean, I really like this. And I'll be using highlighters to fill those in. I think highlighters. I'm not sure yet, but it's just, ideas I'm throwing out there. And then my vision board. I love this. I've never done a vision board, but I think I'm going to this year. So it's got several spots, well, couple spots. And then here is my first year goals for, all the categories, fitness and health and business and hobbies and spiritual. That's what all this is. So I can sit down and write what my goals are. Now, I already have done some in here somewhere. I forget where. Yeah, probably there. My strategy, how I'm going to make all this happen, my daily rituals, um, my affirmations, things like that. So, and then this here is my 3 month goals and my tactics, goal one, action steps, and so on. Really, really cool. Like I said, this is really a detailed planner, and it's not something I'm used to or have um, uh, ever seen in any of my planners that I've ever had. So it's different, and I like that. So, oh yeah, that's more of my 3 months goals, my tactics. I don't know how many of those. Oh, yeah, there's lots. There's three, four. Heck, there's a lot. And then here is my month of January. I've things I will do to make this month great. Um, Monthly goals are here. I've already got some things scheduled in here that I need to do. So there's that. I like the whole setup of the calendar, and I'll show you a blank calendar so you'll see what it looks like without all that. This is reflecting on this month, ideas and notes. And here's what it looks like before you write anything in. Put the month and year. You can write some notes and things here. Of course, your calendar. And then most important monthly goals and things I will do to make the month great, which is uh, um, your health and fitness and personal development and all of that. So that's really cool. And I mean, this is such a big, big, big journal. All right, and then this is. Oh, wait. What is this? Hold on, let me get to where I need to go. Okay, so then it goes. That's for the 12 months. And this is your weekly planning is right here in the back, which is weird. I don't know why they did it like that. I don't know. It's cool though. So you can go by the week, write down things you need to do, you want to do, what you're hoping to do, reward if achieved, habit tracker, personal to-do list. I always have to-do list. Work to-do list, this week's wins, and how I'll improve next week. So you have several pages of those, as you can tell. Several. Lots. And then in the back, very back, oh my goodness, is just blank sheets to where you can keep notes, you can, do whatever. I don't know how I'll use this back here, um, but it's really cool. I mean, it's blank canvases that you can really do different kind of journaling in. Would be really, really cool, I think. So, and then in the very back, we have a pocket here. And in this pocket, which is really cool, they put a pocket in this journal, are these stickers. I really like these. It has things too blessed to be stressed, beautiful minds inspire. I really like that. Posit, positive, posit. Well, I can't even read it. I can't even see it. Positivity inspires productivity. That was weird. So I really like those. And then you have these little ones: day off, appointment, shopping, goals. Don't forget. Um, meat and all of that. Those are, and they're gold foiled. I really love that. And then your regular planner um, stickers here. So it's really it's a really cool journal. I forget how much I paid for it. It wasn't very much, but it's definitely worth it. And then you can take and add extra things back here. I would I would anyway, like pictures or little private notes you can stick back here, and ain't nobody gonna see it. And then, oh, the bookmark. So you got these ribbon bookmarkers. You have this one, and you have these two. So that's really cool. You can separate things and get to it without having to flip through it like I did to find it. And then you just do that. So there's my planner. But I didn't stop there. I wanted pins for my planner and journaling anyway. So I got these fine liner 18 pins. These are really, really nice. All the colors. Well, maybe you see it down here. Got all different kinds of colors. I think I like this one here better. I don't know, I like purple, but I really like this. So, really nice pin set. I've already used it in my journal. Both of these come on Amazon. And like I said, what I'll do is I will grab the link and put it in the description below. Description, is that right? Yeah, I think it is. Anyway, put it down below, and that way you guys can go over to Amazon, grab you one of these up. They're beautiful, very beautiful. I absolutely love it, and it's embossed. Ooh, it's so cool. So that's my planner for this year. I might do some little planning videos. I don't know. I don't know. That'd be cool though if I did. Show you how I set things up and all of that. Which is probably no different than anybody else, but who cares? I can do that and we can chit chat. I can update you on things going on. So I don't know. It's an option. Anyway, this is I forgot what I was gonna say. That's me. Anyway, I'm so happy I finally got to do this video for this planner. Again, I'll put everything down in the description box. Go check it out. Like I said, it was really inexpensive, and I was really shocked because I wasn't expecting it to be this nice, you know. So, all right, guys, have a great rest of your day. I'm off here, and I'll talk to you next time.